There's nothing quite like digging into a bowl of fresh juicy blueberries, and these delicious tiny fruits pack a big nutritious punch. Blueberries are one of the healthiest fruits for you. They help protect against aging, cancer, amazing skin, improved memory, and much more. Our favorite boost of blue isn't new. Blueberries, native to North America, have been part of life here for 13,000 years. And today, we grow nearly 1 billion pounds of blueberries in North America each year. Blueberries are sweet, nutritious, and wildly popular. Often labeled a superfood, they are low in calories but high in nutrients, incredibly good for you. Here's what you need to know about blueberries and what will happen to your body if you start eating blueberries every day. Number 1. Help maintain brain function and improve memory. Blueberries contain flavonoids. These flavonoids are potent antioxidants. A new study based on research shows that flavonoid-rich foods like blueberries decrease the risk of cognitive problems by 20%. Oxidative stress can accelerate your brain's aging process, negatively affecting brain function. According to animal studies, the antioxidants in blueberries affect areas of your brain that are essential for intelligence. They appear to benefit aging neurons, leading to improvements in cell signaling. Human studies have also yielded promising results. In one of these studies, 9 older adults with mild cognitive impairment consumed blueberry juice every day. After 12 weeks, they experienced improvements in several markers of brain function. A 6-year study in over 16,000 older individuals found that blueberries and strawberries were linked to delays in mental aging by up to 2.5 years. So, it's clear that blueberries have some amazing effects on your brain as well. Number 2. Blueberries are the king of antioxidant foods. Blueberries are one of the best natural sources of antioxidants. While antioxidants aren't necessary for your body to function, they help protect your body from damage by free radicals. Your cells produce free radicals as waste products, but these particles can go on to hurt other cells and contribute to aging and diseases, such as cancer. Eating blueberries regularly for just 2 weeks can help reduce damage to your cells by as much as 20%. The blueberry was one of the first foods to be titled a superfood. Blueberries are believed to have one of the highest antioxidant levels of all common fruits and vegetables. Number 3. Protect against cancer and aging. Oxidative DNA damage is an unavoidable part of everyday life. It is said to occur tens of thousands of times per day in every cell in your body. DNA damage is part of the reason we grow older. It also plays an important role in the development of diseases like cancer. Because blueberries are high in antioxidants, they can neutralize some of the free radicals that damage your DNA. In one study, 168 people drank 1 liter of a mixed blueberry and apple juice daily. After 4 weeks, oxidative DNA damage due to free radicals was reduced by 20%. These findings agree with smaller studies that use either fresh or powdered blueberries. Number 4. Prevent heart disease. Blueberries can lower LDL cholesterol levels. LDL is a bad form of cholesterol that can build up in the arteries and clog them. Coronary artery disease is a serious heart condition. Blueberry fruit has powerful antioxidants, which drastically reduces the bad cholesterol level in the human body. In addition, it enhances the smooth blood flow in the arteries. It also removes the free radicals from the blood and protects the body from various diseases. Number 5. Blueberries help fight depression. One of the many health benefits of blueberries is that it acts as a positive mood booster. So, blueberries can take away your Monday blues. Studies show that blueberries, rich in flavonoids, are responsible for maintaining the smooth functioning of neural pathways. It also has a positive effect on neuroplasticity. Overall, blueberries work wonders not only for the body but also for the mind. That is how it helps combat depression. So the next time you're feeling low, snack on some raw blueberries to elevate your mood. Number 6. Blueberries help boost immunity and strengthen muscles. Blueberries help in increasing muscle growth and repairing them. While working out is a healthy habit, sore muscles are enough to take a break. Unfortunately, that pause can soon turn into a pattern of skipping workouts. The muscle fiber requires some healing time and ample nutrition to become stronger. And one of the benefits of having blueberries is their ability to repair muscle tissues at a faster rate. Vitamins and minerals in the blueberry fruit kick up the nutrition in the body and protect the body from various diseases. In addition, flavonoids in blueberries repair the cell damage and strengthen the body's immune response. The bottom line: blueberries are incredibly healthy and nutritious. They boost your heart health, brain function, and numerous other aspects of your body. What's more, they're sweet, colorful, and easily enjoyed fresh or frozen. The next time you eat blueberries, simply enjoy the fruit, knowing fully well the immense good that it does for you. Enjoy the fruit and tell us what you thought of it in the comments section. I hope this video will help you to have a better diet, health, and overall well-being. Subscribe to learn more about healthy foods and turn on bell notification for quick updates.